Long ago, in ancient times, there lived an Asura king named King Mahabali. Though he was born in the demon lineage, he was generous at heart, truthful, and a great protector of his people. His kingdom was so prosperous that no one slept hungry and no one remained unhappy. Gradually, his power and rule spread across all three worlds. When the gods saw that people were increasingly inclining toward King Bali, Devaraj Indra and all the deities became worried. They approached Lord Vishnu and said, "O Lord, Bali is generous, but his growing power is disturbing the balance of the universe. The balance of Dharma is breaking." Lord Vishnu smiled and said, "Bali is indeed great, but even greatness can sometimes be touched by subtle ego. He does not need to be destroyed, only awakened." Therefore, Lord Vishnu assumed the form of a dwarf Brahmin boy, Vamana. King Bali had organized a grand yajna. Hundreds of kings had gathered there to offer charity, and it was in that assembly that Vamana arrived. There was an innocent glow in his eyes. King Bali immediately stood up and welcomed him. "O young Brahmin, what do you desire? An army, land, cows, or jewels?" Vamana smiled and replied, "I only need 3 steps of land." The entire assembly laughed. Bali said, "Such a small request, I will grant it immediately." But Bali's guru, Shukracharya, immediately understood and warned him, "This is no ordinary Brahmin. He is Lord Vishnu himself. Be careful." Bali replied, "If Lord Vishnu himself has come to my door to ask for alms, what greater fortune could there be?" With his first step, Vamana covered the earth. With his second step, he measured the sky. Now there was no place left for the third step. Vamana asked, "Bali, where should I place my third step?" King Bali smiled and said, "O Lord, place your third step on my head." Vamana placed his foot on Bali's head, and in that very moment, all of Bali's ego was destroyed. His soul merged with Lord Vishnu. Pleased, the Lord said, "You have not been defeated by unrighteousness, but by your excessive pride. Yet you are great. Therefore, I grant you the kingdom of the netherworld Patala Loka, where you shall rule with infinite prosperity." Did you already know the story of Lord Vishnu's Vamana avatar and King Bali? Do let us know in the comments. And to hear and learn more such stories, please subscribe to our channel.